Hello everyone. In this lesson we will discuss how to insert data from Java to database. For example, user ID is this, employee name Rakesh, last name is Rajpur, or the phone number is this. Click on submit button, data, employee added successfully. If you want to insert data, you can see this video. And before go to lessons, please like, share and subscribe our channel. For example, go to here and we will click on this one. Click on this one, go to what? Go to student form. So in student form, click on insert button, right click, go to what? Go to event, action performed. 1 minute. So this is not student forms, this student form. Okay, for example, click on the which one? Current project. Student forms, click on this one. This one and go to design. Click on the right click, go to what? Go to event, action performed. So after this, click on this one and bring on here. For example, prepared statement add equal to con dot prepare statement dot prepare statement. Click on prepare statement SQL. For example, double quotation insert into what? Which table do you want? For example, go to the database table is students and go to database, click on admin. Click on students database and the table name is student. Okay, so come on here and student values. Okay, right click, for example, question mark, comma, question mark, comma, question mark. Every field you can choose for question mark. Okay, in here semicolon, click on what? Click on this button in import for java.sql.prepare statement. Okay, so after that you can click add. You can write add is equal to add 1 minute, add is equal to 1 minute. So for example, add dot set int bracket. Okay, after bracket you can write, for example, 1, the parameter is 1 and integer dot value of integer dot value of. So right, for example, 1 minute, add dot set int, click on this one. So click on this one in here, write 1 and, for example, integer dot value of 1 minute, integer dot value of is right, integer dot value of, this spell was wrong. Click on this one in what? id dot get text. If you mistake on a spell, they will not work. For example, click on this one in semicolon. Okay, so other one, for example, add dot set string, click on here and In here we will write to in, for example, which one? Ename dot get text. 1 minute. Is name dot get text. Spell, you must write a good spell going. For example, r dot set string, r dot set string. So r dot set string 3 in, for example, L name or F name. For example, F name dot get text. 1 minute. L name dot get text. The text box name is this. Okay. So after this, for example, other one r dot set string. In here I will write 4 in, for example, which one do you want? Email dot get text. So the last one is phone. For example, r dot set string. In here, for example, in this 1 minute, here we will type integer. R dot set int. In here we will write 5. In here, for example, integer dot value of. Okay, dot value of which one do you want? For example, phone dot get text. So after this, for example, we will get another variable integer row is equal to r dot execute update semicolon end. I want to give some message. For example, j option pane dot show message dialog. Click on this one. In here write, for example, this and here I will write, for example, students added successfully. So hold Ctrl plus S and go to run the project. Right click, go to run the file. 1 minute, we will see the result. For example, in here we write 07900 and his name is Hamid. No. For example, his name is Rita, last name is Kumar. In phone number is, this is phone number. In email is rita@gmail.com. Click on what? Click on submit button. So this will say no suitable driver. Okay, 1 minute. So click on the library button. We don't have library. Right click, go to add library. One minute. Click on the right click and go to which one do you want? For example, MySQL JDBC driver add library. So after that, you can right click and go to run the file again and close this one. So for example, 009. This is the ID number. His name is Rita. And the last name is Kumar, and phone number is 07900 that, for example, rita@gmail.com. Click on the submit button. So which one? SQL connection. 1 minute. So in here we have some enough values. So hold Ctrl plus Z. in here. Okay, run the file, click on run file. 1 minute in here we write null y double quotation, that is will be wrong, 1 2 3 4 5. Click on this one, close this one, right click and go to run file. So in here, for example, this is ID number, name is Rita, and last name this, or phone number is this, rita@gmail.com. Click on insert button. Prepared statement. Incorrect integer. So 1 minute. Scene, variable name, phone, email. Right away. Phone number is integer. So sorry, 1 minute. Go to source. In the for one, hold control plus X. 1 minute. Control plus X. In here, control plus V. In the parameter is 4, or this parameter will be 5. Control plus S and right click, go to run file. For example, this is student name is Rita and last name is Khan, phone number is this, or email is rita@gmail.com. Click on the submit button. So student added successfully. So this is very easy, but we got in sometimes we got in some mistake. Please, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe our channel, and for more videos please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.